McDonald's, and what did I get? Dollar McChickens. I haven't had these in a long time. Some green, some not so green. If McDonald's knew I was coming to make a YouTube video, maybe they would have given me something a little bit better. Clean my fingers. All right. First thing we want, some pickles. We have leftover pickles. Then we love these dills. Dollar store, crunchy. Not the best of the best, but it's good enough. Some Chipotles. Hold on. Some ham. I have to clean my fingers. Pause for the cause. I had some 5-bean chili. Amazing. Made a mess. Pause for the cause. All right, here we go. Save that right there. Feed the birds. We didn't use a scale. So, want to see how heavy that is? I see these shows, they make these enormous. I was like, there's no way. All right, ready? Wait for it. There you go. 10.6 ounces. That's crazy. But that's my dinner, and guess what? Move it over. We need a dipping sauce. All right. This is going to be the first time I've ever done this, but adobo sauce with, hold on, wait for it. Pause for the cause. All right, there you go. Little bullseye every day barbecue sauce original. Oh man, that's going to be amazing. That's way too much sauce. Guess what? That is the first time I don't know what that is. Tastes like carrot, actually. Uh-oh. That is amazing. 14 ounce. It's my dinner. Yummy. Love you.